Let us discussion about Perkins reaction. Aromatic aldehydes are heated with aliphatic acid anhydrides in presence of sodium salt of the same acid to produce alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. This reaction is named as Perkins reaction. Let us take some example. Benzaldehyde is heated with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate at 100 degrees Celsius to give cinnamic acid. We have to take benzaldehyde C6H5C double bond OH plus acetic anhydride CH3CO whole 2O in presence of sodium acetate CH3COONA to give the product cinnamic acid C6H5 single bond CH double bond CH single bond COOH. This is cinnamic acid plus CH3COOH acetic acid. This is all about Perkins reaction.